Hey guys, today I forgot. Today we're beating up the Chicken King, because I feel like it. We're also gonna blow up his mansion, because I feel like it. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna blow up his mansion. Why? I don't know. I feel like it. Grenade! I mean, that works. But... Oh, that's the red room. Destroy the stairs. I can't get down when I get up. I heard talks, but I can't. My guy, you just took me to where you were. I found him. Let's get up. I'm coming. Get your ass over here. Oh wait, I have grenades. Got him. Ah. Well, we got him. That's the end of the video. See ya.